Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here. I'm back with another video. Spring Summer 2019 week 4. Yes, week 4 drop. No. What week are we on? Anyway, we got we did get something from the drop whenever the North Face drop was. Week 5. Week 4, week 5. I think it was week 5. Blam, here it is. So we're going to go ahead and open it, get a little bit of a thumbnail right there. Blam, here we are. As you guys can see, the box is looking a little funky. The bag is looking a little funky. So you guys can see the Supreme bag right here. I hope I got stickers along with this, but I did. Seem to be in pretty good condition. Just two more box logo stickers. Then nothing else. Oh, and the crown. So that's what we got off this drop. Bro, this is sexy. It's good enough. So I'm not gonna take this out of the case just yet. So this is a air freshener. So I mean, I can do that. I can't really wear it, but it looks actually really fire in this package. So just expect to see this somewhere in the back with something inside of it. I don't know what yet. Definitely gonna be taking the crown itself out of the package and have that on display, like next to it or even on top of it. Probably won't be keeping it in the package, even though it does look just as dope like that. But I am going to be bringing this to 518 Sneaker Fest, well, 315 Sneaker Fest next week. Not going to be selling it, but just for display, just because there might not be too many of these there yet. But it is black cherry. I almost said flavor, but the scent, since it is an air freshener. Let me get a close up of that. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection of my phone coming in, but you guys can kind of see. I'll have a better look at it all the way around. Supreme box logos on both sides and on the back with the instructions on, well, not instructions, but caution, what you should and should not do. Black cherry on the front, and then just it's a Supreme crown. I feel like it's so cool. It would have been that much doper if it was an actual crown, and even doper. Maybe not even doper, but I could see this, like I talked about in the leaked Supreme Tees video. I could see them putting just this, just like where it just says SUP. Maybe changing around a little bit where it says SUP in the front. How it says Supreme going around it. I could see them doing that, and then the Supreme box logo on the top right there. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Let me know what you guys think about my pickup from week 5. Week 6, if the Supreme tees drop, I will be going for 1 to 2, maybe 3 of those tees. Probably only luck up on being able to get 1, but 1 is better than none. And this was one thing that I wanted from this season, and now it's in my possession. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Check my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, Mixer. Everything will be in the description below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below, what did you pick up from week 5 of the season? Did you get the crown? Did you get anything from Supreme? Obviously from the Supreme North Face collab. And what will you be going for, or what do you hope drops this week from the lookbook? That's a good question. And anyway, that's it. See you next video. Peace.